The Putilsen Mount Ultrawide monitor arm is built from sturdy aluminum and is specifically designed to handle very large ultrawide displays while keeping them stable and secure. Its heavy-duty mechanism supports monitors weighing close to 60 pounds, so even oversized gaming or productivity panels feel well supported and safe above the desk. Generous articulation for height, tilt, swivel, and rotation makes it easy to dial in an ergonomic viewing position that reduces neck and back strain during long work or gaming sessions. The arm is particularly well suited to tight desks against walls or in small rooms, freeing up valuable surface area and making a cluttered setup feel much more open and organized. Installation is straightforward thanks to the choice of clamp or grommet mounting, a quick-release VESA plate, and clear hardware that make attaching an ultra-wide screen feel no more difficult than a standard monitor. Long-term support, included VESA adapters, and thoughtful compatibility guidance give extra confidence that this mount will remain a reliable part of an ultra-wide setup for many years.